I request event chair past president Ajit Gulati to escort PDG Shaju Peter onto the dais. Past president Martin Luther, following our district governor, Sergeant at Arms, past president rotating R.K. Luther. To caller our president Sanjay Bhatia.
Chief guest of this evening, our first leader and governor of the club of the district, Sri Rumesh Jaji, and gracious lady of the district, Rekha Ji, president of our club, Sanjay Bhatia, and secretary Suchi Thakur. Good evening to you all. Now I hand over the meeting of 2266 of this evening is called to order, and I hand over the proceedings to our AG, Dr. Rita Kaka. Take over from you, Rita.
So I would like to invite an Indu Anand and Urmil Luther and Rotarian Anjali Chavda for national anthem, and I request everyone to kindly rise.
Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uttal Jaladhi Taranga Tav Shubh Name Jage Tav Shubh Ashish Mange Gahe Sab Jaya Gatha Jan Gan Mangal Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He.
Thank you for this beautiful tricolor and the melodious national anthem. So for an auspicious beginning, to seek the blessings of Almighty, I invite the dignitaries on the dais for the lamp lighting. District Governor Ramesh Bajaj, First Lady Rekha Bajaj, President Sanjay Bhatia, and Rotarian Ritu Bhatia, PDG Shaju Peter, Secretary Shuchi Thakur, Event Chair Past President Ajit Gulati, and B.
मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव।
भगत वछल जग जीवन दाता मत गुरमत हर निस्तारे मनुष्यो जूझ मरे प्रभु पाए मन सामने समाए बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम नानक कृपा करे जग जीवन सहज पाए लिव लाए बोलो राम 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 करे निस्तारा बोलो राम करे निस्तारा बोलो राम करे निस्तारा
Thanks a lot. So to formally welcome our chief guest today, I would like to request President Sanjay Bhatia to present a bouquet of flowers to our District Governor Ramesh Bajaj. I request Rotarian Ritu Bhatia, First Lady of Chandigarh Midtown, to present a bouquet of flowers to First Lady of RID 3080, Rotarian Rekha Bajaj.
Now, a bouquet of flowers from our Secretary Suchi to our AG, Rita Khan.
Honorable Chief Guest, District Governor, Rotary International District 3080, Rotarian Ramesh Bajaj and First Lady Rotarian Rekha, President Sanjay Bhatia and Rotarian Ritu, PDG Shaju Peter, PDG Yoginder Devan and Kananji, Secretary Shuchi Thakur, Event Chair Past President Ajit Gulati and me, President-elect Salil Chopra and Rotarian Renu, President nominee Dr. Sanjay Kalra, galaxy of past presidents of Chandigarh Midtown, distinguished members of Board of 2021, my dear fellow Rotarians, gracious spouses, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you and a warm welcome. Thank you, Past President Ajit, for entrusting me with this huge opportunity to conduct the prestigious annual event of the year, District Governor's official visit to our club. Thank you for the opportunity to be the master of ceremonies of this physical assembly of Midtowners this beautiful evening as the spring is blooming all around. I congratulate one and all present here and welcome you to the most vibrant evening you are about to witness. To extend a cheerful and warm welcome to our family of Rotary, I invite President-elect Salil Chopra in style of Lucknow. He is called Nawab of Lucknow. So let's welcome him. He is driving straight from another meeting of District 2080.
The God's moon does have some turning sign, but you never have the sign. It is really amazing to see you participating and being at the back of Sir that he would perform his duty so well in the pandemic time also. Thank you, and I welcome you on behalf of the Rotary Club of Midtown, and you and both, sir, with your gracious presence, we have started meeting physically. We had a rehearsal before and we started. Sir, when I met him, he said he would like to hold a physical meeting with Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown, not the Zoom one. So that is the challenge he posed to us, and that's a challenge we also accepted. And that's the thing you will see around.
इसी रोज़ों शब में उलझ करना है जा तेरे ज़माने में काम और बिखरे.
Behind
Moving forward,
every
I would
cloud
like to
is
invite
another cloud.
President Sanjay
But the
Bhatia.
sun always shines above the clouds. That's been the role of our past presidents, the people who are sitting here. And I would like to welcome them because they have been a torchbearer for our club. That is how this club is known as heavyweight club of our district. Thank you and welcome to all my past presidents who are here. It's a vibrant club of 100+ members. It's a club which conducts every day a project. It's a club which has the members totally dedicated. Ask for something, they wholeheartedly give you, and they know what is the value of giving over the value of receiving. So I welcome each and every member present here, and I'm so sure you will maintain this physical meet as you have been doing today for all the times to come. Corona is gone. Let's bear in mind it is gone. So let's get up again. Let's be as vibrant as we were, and we'll show up the path, to our district governor for the rest of the months that we can still do much better than what we have done. Thank you, my friends. I welcome you all to this gathering, and my president, my Shaju sir, the real spirit behind, and the AG, she's such a vibrant lady that nobody can match her. The personality, the walk, the talk, anything. And so is the board, which has been always actively doing things, Welcome to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, President-elect Salil. So before we begin this journey, let's celebrate your presence and our togetherness today with a loud round of applause. आदत भूल गई ना ताली बजाने की को सबको म्यूट कर देंगे कि Shruti and we just couldn't hear you clap. So let's clap stronger. Charge the air around with your thunderous applause. I want to feel your happiness and exuberance today. So let's have another round. Thank you so much. So friends, it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. As we start our magical journey of fellowship again with new social norms, we need to retreat and look back at the lessons learned from the worst ever pandemic of the century. This pandemic has fully and finally turned the curtain on the idea that life is as usual. In fact, life post-lockdown has been a nexus of unusual and unanticipated. This pandemic has shaken the status quo and laid bare the community's deep-seated problems, from massive economic inequality to ongoing cultural disparity to lack of basic health care for the people who need it. It has woken us to the fact that old ways of doing things just do not work, and it doesn't matter how much money we make if everyone around is hungry and sick, and that our society and our economy only works when we think not just about ourselves but about each other. So if the world's gonna get better, it is up to you. That realization may be kind of intimidating, but I hope it's also inspiring. With all the challenges we face as Rotarians and with so much uncertainty, it is still up to us to save the world. Our COVID story of last 8 months is achingly real, mired in the quotidian details. Although it paused several important aspects of life, including school and college education, traveling, hospitality, fellowship, but it could not deter us from opening opportunities this Rotary year. Rotarian Sanjay Bhatia, the ever serene and supportive President, Rotarian Shuchi Thakur, the dynamic and energetic Club Secretary. This is a deadly combination and the right balance and mix of service and fellowship. They have made us all proud by their distinguished work and untiring enthusiasm. I now invite the duo for the report of the year so far.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर रीता। आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि कुछ आदतें छूट गई हैं, जैसे कि ताली बजाने की, और कुछ नई आदतें लग गई हैं। जैसे कि हेलो पता नहीं, am I audible? Honorable District Governor Ramesh Rajaji, First Lady of the District Rehan, Past District Governor Shaji Peter, Past District Governor Yogindra Dewan, AG Dr. Rita Kalra, Even Chair Past President Azim Tulati, all my fellow board members, my club members, guests, a very good evening to all of you. In 2020, from January, when the current RI president announced his theme for the year, Rotary Opens Opportunities, I don't know whether he would have seen through what was coming, but opportunity is such a word that it sort of goes with problems, because to be on the positive side says every problem actually brings opportunities, and that's how you learn to tackle and to face the challenges that the problems bring. And come March, when we were preparing and planning for the new year, we entered the lockdown phase. Come April, come May, we really did not know. But then it is the district which was sort of the torchbearer for all the clubs in the district. जो भी plan होता है साल का, they kept that on schedule, be it training, be it reviews, and that gave us a motivation. If members remember, in April, May, June, we were actually not doing too many meetings. We did try. There was an induction also in the April, May, June period, and it was a big challenge for us. Firstly, to take a call, how to do the meetings and do we do the weekly meetings. And in one of the preparatory meets, I actually put it forward to the board members. Why don't we do it once a fortnight, which means 2 meetings in a year, which Rotary rules allow us to do as the minimum. I'm grateful to all of you. It was thumb down, not supported. They said we want to meet every week, even if it is virtual. Knowing that the average age of our members is 60 plus years, that was also a challenge. Would members be able to connect on the digital platform? My father is 86 years old, and even today he's not very comfortable with the smartphone, and my mother still uses the old phone. So, looking at them, I was really doubtful whether we would be able to pull it off, because we need certain attendance. Yet we went in for a paid subscription on Zoom of up to 100 members. You can join virtually. And I'm thankful to each one of you who have actually joined all our meetings. We've done all weekly meetings, and that was the first challenge. The second was knowing that the average age is high, of how do we bond the people together. There again, members have been very supportive. Our club service director, Dr. Nitin Kapoor, has brought in such wonderful guest speakers that members themselves have been motivated and inclined to attend the meetings. And the details will be coming soon. I just thought I would give you an overview. Not just to speak of this year, this club is, as you would have heard when past President Sergeant announced, past President Aunty Mukherjee announced, this was the 2266th meeting. This is the 2266th meeting. Divide by 52 roughly, so this is 44 years plus. And a club is not just standing on what we do this year or what we will do next year. It's standing on what we have done for the last 44 years. And my thanks to all the past presidents who are still members and who are here especially. Can we have a round of applause for them? Thank you. Because continuing projects are very important. It actually is a springboard, If you don't have continuing projects, you don't have the springboard, You have maybe 100% and you try to reach 200%. So that's the advantage we have. All the past presidents have been very supportive. and that's been very important. President Salil Chopra mentioned 1,200 projects in the district. Though it's a good number, I don't really believe in absolute numbers. It's more like, we should think of more of a per capita number. If we have 100 members, if I do 3 projects also in a month, we do 300 projects in a month. Multiply by that 12. A club itself can do 3,600 projects. But again, I come back to what I just said. We should not look at numbers. If I attach myself, let's say, a school for the underprivileged, and I start giving 15 minutes each day to that school, do I really count it? Do I count it as 365 projects because I went the 365 days in a year? So numbers do have significance and sometimes they do not have significance. It is the level of involvement. I feel that is important. And also, like I said, we have country projects and we have infrastructure projects which we enter, we build up, and then even if you're not visiting the project, the beneficiaries continue to gain benefit out of that. We'll hear about all of this, and those sort of projects we also call as the signature projects. This morning I was at a district foundation seminar, and I was very pleasantly surprised to see Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown at number 5 in the district in terms of the contributions till date. I was very pleasantly surprised, and that itself gives me a good challenge. I do not know whether we have, probably Pirish Chandu would be able to tell me whether we have slipped from a higher position to number 5 or whether we have risen from a lower number to number 5. Again, numbers, but that is not relevant. Can we move from number 5 to a higher level? There is a lot of gap between a number 1 and number 5, but yes, again, that is a challenge, and I trust my members are strong enough to realize the importance of the foundation, of the organization that we belong to, and why we need to keep contributing. A very interesting statistic that is relevant to all of you that was presented today by Trustee Chair. In terms of percentage, the funds that are coming in is more from, as a percentage, almost 60% funds are coming in from members who give $100 or $200 because there are more members contributing to that. That again was a very interesting statistic that I think we should all think and look forward to working on appropriate statistics. So I try to cover different things. We have also done online trainings under vocational, and I would now request Secretary Suchi to give you details and glimpses of what we have done so far, knowing that there are still 4.5 months to go. And like I said yesterday in the review, that we should leave with double the energy and what we have done so far and what we have come in with. Thank you. Suchi, over to you.
Rotarians and guests, good evening. I am presenting to you my report on the scholarship program, which we have been running from the year 2008 onwards. It is the 13th year of our program. In this program, we have supported about 40 young ladies through their postgraduate programs. Amongst these 40 students, there have also been 2 males who we found were deserving and from the very underprivileged sections. Most of these students have been from the University Institute of Engineering and Technology and from the Chemical Engineering Department. A few have been MBA students and English department students. There was a group that was from the Khalsa College doing their BA. The tuition fee in the University Institute of Engineering was 75,000 rupees. A couple of years ago, it was raised to 90,000 rupees. Therefore, funding 2/3 of their annual tuition fee, we had to raise our contribution from 50,000 rupees a year to 60,000 rupees a year. Of the 40 students, most of them girls, all of them are gainfully employed. They are quite successful in their careers, and it is very fulfilling to know that they are getting packages today of between 5 and 25 lakh rupees a year, depending on the seniority and length of service. Of these, 5 girls are married. One is abroad along with her husband. She has been sent abroad by her company. Another one was sent by her company to England to get trained before she joined her job. When I look back on this program, I find it very fulfilling, and I hope all of you who have been observing this program, who have been contributing to this program, they also find it equally fulfilling. After the passage of a few years, the results are there for all of us to see. They're in front of our eyes. This program got a very nice phrase from past RI President R.K. Sabu. When he learned of this program a couple of years ago, he said it was a perfect example of learn, earn, and return. The contributors to our program have been within Rotary and without Rotary. Most significantly, the girls who have passed out from our program in the last few years, many of them fairly senior now with experience of a few years under their belt, they have reached out to us and they have become equal contributors to this program. Last year and the year before, we have received about 40,000 rupees from these girls collectively. In the next video immediately after mine, you will see a perfect example of this. A young lady by name Ishita Sood, who has finished her MBA and is now working for the consultancy firm Deloitte, has decided to pay back after getting onto her feet. She voluntarily contacted me last month and said she would like to contribute 2,000 rupees per month. This year, in this program, we have had no new entrant, mainly because of the pandemic. Next year, we expect to be back to normal, God willing. In the current year, the amount that we have disbursed is approximately 4 lakhs. We have given checks to 5 young ladies in the chemical engineering department and 3 young ladies in the University Institute of Engineering and Technology. Finally, I would not like to forget our partners who have stood by us through all these years. I am referring specifically to the Rotary clubs of Milano, Italy and Lugano, Switzerland. And our friends there, Mr. Lakshmi Khanna and Mr. Stefan Wiedegren. In fact, they are the ones who got us to start this program, and they have been equal contributors in this. Alongside these collaborators of ours, I would also like to thank all those people outside Rotary and inside Rotary who have been friends, classmates, and acquaintances who have made significant contributions over the years to our program. I thank you for the time you have given to me. Good evening.
Hi everyone, good evening. This is Ishita Sood. I was part of the Girls Child Education Scholarship managed by Arjun Sir from 2016 to 2018. I was doing my MBA from University Business School at that point of time, and this scholarship really helped me out taking that mental burden off my head and my mother's head about how to, arrange for the money to pay the fees, the books, the hostel. Everything was really costly. And the help that we received, not in just terms of monetary benefit, but also guidance at the same time, is something that I would always be thankful for and full of gratitude about. After my MBA, I started working with KPMG in Gurgaon, and currently I'm working with Deloitte. I am very, very happy to say that I'm able enough now, this point of time, to contribute back to the scholarship that helped me during my difficult times. And I've decided to start a small contribution of 2,000 per month for the fund, and hope that someone else will benefit the way that I have from this whole program, and pay it forward and make this scholarship sustainable in itself. I am really, really thankful to Arjun sir, to Rotary Club of Chandigarh Midtown for taking this initiative and making life easier for kids like us who are passionate about studying, who really want to do something in their life but are not lucky enough to not worry about the costs that are associated with the same. I hope that this trend, this idea of helping others continues, and many, many more people benefit from it just the way that I did. Thank you.
Rotarians and guests, you heard the testimonial provided by one of our students, Ishita Sood. Having heard that, I'm sure you are now convinced that this program has its returns, which are evident right there in front of you to see after a few years. If you think this program is worthwhile, I will ask you all to step forward and to contribute generously to this program. I shall be grateful for your consideration. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Moving on, I would like to invite Project Chair for Microloans, Past President Premanand.
Members on the dais and off the dais, good evening. Every Rotary year, we give micro loan to underprivileged society amounting to rupees 30,000. This loan amounting 30,000, we give only interest-free loan. No file work is taken, and when we give the loan, after 1 month, we take installment starts. And I am having this loan from the last 9 years, and no default is there. This year, we have given this loan to this Chunmun Yadav. He will speak.
तो मतलब कि रोटरी वाले इतना मेरे को मदद किया, मैं छोटा सा मतलब बिजनेस अपना खोल करके संडे आराम से बैठता हूँ, उससे अपना अच्छा घर चल रहा है, मतलब बहुत मदद हो गया रोटरी को।
We don't charge any interest on this amount. Thank you.
So we are actually grateful to our beneficiaries also for giving us this opportunity. नहीं तो ऐसा मौका भी नहीं मिलता शायद. So dear Midtowners, hope you all have filed the income tax returns. Your balance sheets are ready for 2021. But there is always room for investment in yourself, your relationships and your passion. Our financial experts and investment bankers like Tiger and Nitin may not speak to you about the return on investments the Rotary Foundation gives. So I invite our Director International Service, Rotarian Dr. Sanjay Kalra, who shall share with you the last opportunity available for future investment at unbelievable stock price. Because he is going to offer you the highest return in the market, I quote, "He profits most who serves best," and I invite him to prove.
Thank you, Rita, and good evening to you all. I'm sure Nitin and Tiger Tandok, they are better off in explaining the things to you all, but rather I would like to start with the process of pinning the PHF beneficiaries. I would call upon Rableen, daughter of Rotarian Amal, past President Rotarian Amal K, to come forward and like DG sir to pin her. I would request PDG Shadu Peter to accompany him.
This is one of the most precious certificate one gets. You are privileged to have this one.
क्लोज करना है क्या?
Thank you, sir. I would now request, please. I would now request Renu Chopra ma'am to come forward to receive the pin on behalf of her granddaughter, grandson, Lavyansh. Sajid should also come here. Sajid, please. Thank you so much. And congratulations to Lavyansh and both of you.
Thank you very much.
Now I would I would like to call upon Dr. Gopal Manjal, who is amongst us, who is a new member, to come forward, and I would request DG sir to pin him. Now you are an old member.
How many, 5 years?
More than 10 years.
You have to discover that major donors.
Congratulations, Dr. Gopal Manjal, and I wish that you are going to become a major donor very fast. And good news is that he is going to bring 5 new members. The forms are already filled, and that will be a great contribution to our club. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So new member coming, thank you.
Thank you.
Besides this, I have a list of contributors to the PHF fund, a TRF contribution. I'd like to invite Surjit Maan sir, Rotarian Surjit Maan. Can you please come here? He has donated $1,000 already. Siddharth Bhatia, son of Rotarian President Sanjay Bhatia, is not here, but he is also contributing $1,000 to the TRF fund. Ritu Bhatia has also contributed $1,000. The whole family is going to soon become multiple Paul Harris Fellow. Major donor.
Also, this flower has been given to me by Sanjay, so you don't deserve this. There was a bouquet here. Doctor, can I have the bouquet, please? First lady deserves this. And on the top of it, this as well.
And $1,000 has been donated by President Sanjay Bhatia himself. Sanjay Bhatia को तो देना चाहिए. Then our dear AG has contributed $1,000 already. We did it in TRF seminar in the morning today, so I also deserve a rose. Besides this, we have Rotarian Anjali Chhabra, who has started with her contribution with $100 from today. So I will call upon Anjali Chhabra to come on the dais. I told her, no, ये अच्छा नहीं लगता, 500 दे दो, but she says, नहीं, अभी मेरी salary इतनी ही है, so let me start at least. So that's a good start, Anjali, and we hope for many more in future from you. Thank you so much.
It's a wonderful picnic, wonderful
And for the new members, just to revise, what are the benefits? As Rita has said to you already, that whatever we give, it comes back, and that has we have experienced. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, it was $1,000 for both of them at the TRF seminar, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, congratulations, sir. Yogendra Diman, sir, please come forward. Kanan ma'am, please come forward. Kanan ma'am.
I don't know. I'll come there.
Okay.
I'll get. Sir, give me. I'll get there.
Thank you for bringing this forward.
Thank you so much. I'll get there. Okay.
So we have had a good day today. That means we have a total of almost $10,000 collected in a single day. So big cheers to Chandigarh Midtown.
We are here today to hear our eloquent and motivational leader, our Chief Guest District Governor, Rotary International District 3080. So without further ado, I would like to invite past District Governor Shaju Peter to introduce the Chief Guest to the audience.
Governor Ramesh and Rekha, President Sanjay and Ritu, Secretary Shuchi, Assistant Governor Dr. Rita Kalra, Event Chair Ajit, distinguished past presidents of Chandigarh Midtown, fellow Rotarians and friends. It is fortuitous that my last engagement with my home club Chandigarh Midtown and ipso facto District 3080 is introducing one of my dearest friends to the members of my home club. Ramesh was born in 1964 in Panipat and is a member of the Rotary Club of Panipat, which has produced 3 governors already. I still remember with great respect past Governor O.P. Singla, past Governor Mahajan. Both of them are looking at us from above, and past Governor Devendra Kalra, and now Governor Ramesh Bajaj. He did his education in Panipat, and his first job was Indian Airlines. I think he had a stint of 4 years in Indian Airlines before he became an entrepreneur himself. He is running a company called Krishdev, which is engaged in exporting textile accessories to all corners of the world. Passion is his music. I don't know how many of you are aware that he is just got a postgraduate degree in Hindustani classical music from Banaras Hindu University. Married to Rekha, who is a Rotarian in her own right. She is a past president of the Rotary Club of Panipat Central, and their son Rohit is married to Ritambara, and they are blessed with an adorable granddaughter, Radia. All of them are Port Highlands fellows. With these words, let me introduce to you our District Governor, Ramesh Bajaj.
Thank you, Shaju, for this very interesting introduction which you have created. Content is the same wherever I go, I hear the same content, but the accent, I will never ever hear this accent again in any part of our district. These are the regions. जब मैं शाजू से पहली बार मिला, the first word was, he said सहरानपुर. मैंने कहा भाई ये कौन सा शहर आ गया जो हमारे हमने कभी सुना ही नहीं है. Then I realized he was referring to Saharanpur, not any other new place. Anyway, Shaju, thank you for this wonderful introduction. President Sanjay Bhatia and Rituji, Secretary Suchi Thakur, Assistant Governor Dr. Rita Kalra and Sanjay ji, past District Governor Shaju, past District Governor Yogendra Diwanji and Kananji, President-elect Sarel ji, past President Ajit Gulati. I know many people here. And some of the prominent whom I remember, past President Ajit Gulati ji, past President Harish Sethi ji, B.L. Ramsasaria ji, Dr. Balram Gupta, Pallav, Dr. Vola, Amarjeet.
You know all the past presidents.
Yes, Dr. Lochan ji, Tochi, popularly known as Tochi. I'm missing one face, Tulsi ji. And all gracious ladies, guests, Rotarians. It's indeed a great day for me to be a part of this visit here. Chandigarh Midtown is one of the most prestigious clubs in our district. I have no doubt in saying that it is one of the most. Agar my district ke, if I pick up top 3 clubs, the Chandigarh Midtown is one of them. District ने जो आज सुबह presentation में दिखाया था कि you are among the top the 5, I am sure this year you are going to be number 1 on the top of that. So I am pretty sure about the kind of commitment your Rotarians have shown today. I can believe that some miracle is going to happen. दोस्तों, किसी ने कहा है जरूर कोई तो लिखता होगा पत्थर और कागज का नसीब। जरूर कोई तो लिखता होगा पत्थर और कागज का नसीब, वरना ये मुमकिन नहीं कि कोई पत्थर रास्ते की ठोकर खाए तो कोई पत्थर भगवान बन जाए, और कोई कागज अखबार की रद्दी और कोई कागज गीता और कुरान बन जाए। Why I said this? Because it implies on you all. चंडीगढ़ शहर की पॉपुलेशन कितनी होगी? Around 10 lakhs? It's more than that. And if you pick up the Rotarians, how many Rotarians we have? 450. Around 450. These 450 Rotarians are the blessed Rotarians. They are the best human beings who have got the special blessings from the Almighty. They are the chosen lot. 10 लाख में से सिर्फ 450 लोगों को ही भगवान ने, उस ऊपर वाले ने, उस वाहेगुरु ने 450 को ही ये आशीर्वाद क्यों दिया कि आप जाओ समाज की सेवा करो? There must have been something special in you. There must have been special something in your families. Because the kind of values which you have inherited from your ancestors, from your parents, it is paying off. Donation does not come easily. It is 100% pakka hai, donation does not come easily. But when it comes from inside. दिल से वो डोनेशन निकलता है, और जब एक बार देने की आदत पड़ जाती है, I don't know, उसका कितनी दुआएं मिलती हैं, कितने आशीर्वाद मिलते हैं. And this is one of the best things which I have seen in this club. No other club in our district has this credit, and I am sure this credit goes to the team of past presidents who have nurtured this club with smiles, with the courtesies, and with the resources. अभी सबसे पहले when Dr. Sanjay Kalra was talking, उन्होंने कहा कि ये मेरी गुरु है, मुझे हमेशा करेक्ट करती है। डॉक्टर साहब, भलाई भी इसी में है, मान लेना ही चाहिए। इसका एक एग्जाम्पल बता देता हूँ। कहते हैं ना, दशरथ ने अपनी पत्नी का कहना माना, ऑल्दो उनको जाना पड़ा, लेकिन आज भी पूजे जाते हैं। राम ने अपनी पत्नी का कहना माना, उनको युद्ध लड़ना पड़ा, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी आज भी पूजे जाते हैं। रावण ने अपनी पत्नी का कहना नहीं माना, और उसका अंजाम क्या हुआ सबको पता है। इसलिए भलाई इसी में ही है कि जो आपकी पत्नी कहे उसे मान लेना चाहिए। Yes. So when we ask any Rotarian, what led you to Rotary? Everybody has different answers. Somebody came for the fellowship, somebody came for the glamour, somebody came for the service, somebody came for the friendship. Everybody had a different story to tell. But when you join Rotary, there's always one thing in common. That's a belief of service above self. That's a common bond which you create. That's the common belief which you create, that service is the topmost priority. हमारे रास्ते अलग अलग थे रोटरी में आने के, लेकिन जब हम एक रास्ते पे चले, वो रास्ता सिर्फ हमें एक ही जगह ले जाता है, that is service. हमारे past president Ian Bisley, he was a past Rotary International president. When he joined Rotary, he shared a story. He said his practice, he was a chartered accountant, his practice was not doing very well. Somebody suggested you join Rotary Club. उन्होंने Rotary join कर ली, and he was surprised to see the networking of Rotary. Within a couple of months, not only his practice flourished, but he made many friends. And वो धीरे-धीरे he became so popular कि Rotary एक career बन गई उनके लिए. And he never look back. सच्चाई यही थी. आज हम सब लोग भी when we joined Rotary, we joined Rotary with some reference. किसी न किसी का reference जरूर होता है, because membership to the Rotary is not by an application, it is by invitation. Somebody has to do that job to invite someone. And I'm thankful to the person who invited me here. We are 109 members, 107 members in this club. So all those 107 must have been sponsored by someone. I think we have a job to do. At least sponsor one person, only one person. We are not looking for, हमें ज़्यादा member नहीं चाहिए. We are looking for only one person. और एक member we can easily get. बात करते हैं हम क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी की, नहीं दी. अगर 107 मेंबर 106 मेंबर ने सबने एक दे दिया, या तो 212 हो जाएंगे, क्वालिटी खराब हो जाएगी. नो, सच्चाई ये है, when you introduce a member, you introduce a member of your caliber. क्योंकि जो आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में है वो लोअर तो होगा ही नहीं, because you all are from a well-reputed business establishments, you are well-reputed citizens of this town, and this town has a lot of capacity to give more. So the only thing which you require is to oblige someone to bring to this forum, let them come and enjoy this forum which you are enjoying. They should not be deprived of the fact that somebody did not invite them. But we need to do this job. We need to get this job done, not in the next couple of months. It has to be done immediately, as early as possible. And I am sure, if you simply give it a thought, you will achieve this. And kahin na kahin, club will have to say, sorry, हम इतने members accommodate नहीं कर सकते. चंडीगढ़ में 200 लोगों के बैठने की एकदम से capacity नहीं बनेगी कि मीटिंग में हम 250 लोग इकट्ठे हो जाएं. And you'll be surprised to know the biggest club of the world is from India. The biggest club of the world is in India, and this is in the Rourkela. Around 600 plus members they have. If that place can have 600 plus members, why not Chandigarh Metro? Chandigarh Metro has the capacity to achieve this target. Chandigarh Metro has the capacity to accommodate. हो सकता है हॉल accommodate करे या नहीं करे, but you have big hearts. उन hearts के अंदर 250 तो क्या 500 लोग भी समा जाएंगे. I'm very sure about it. And I was looking at your foundation contributions. 106 members and 88 members of PHM, Paul Harris Fellows. It's a remarkable figure. It's an absolutely remarkable figure. 88 persons. जो हमारे 18 रह गए, 18 left. I think they should also be privileged, have this privilege to be a part of this PHF club. 100% PHF club आपका बन सकता है, which is a rare distinction. We have very few Rotary clubs where we can have this 100% Paul Harris Fellow distinction. Panipat has one where 100% Paul Harris Fellows are there, and I think the second club in the district can be yours.
That's our target. That's our target. That's our target.
Absolutely. And I'm sure when it comes in your target, it is going to be like that. दोस्तों हम लोग जिस रास्ते पे चले, but the challenge which came to us was very difficult. During this COVID also, the route had not been very easy. The route had been very difficult. But you know what happened? इतना जब भगवान ने दरवाजे, मंदिर के दरवाजे तो बंद कर दिए, जो भगवान हमारे रोटरी में बैठे थे वो बाहर निकल गए. मंदिर के भगवान अंदर थे, बंद थे, कोई पूजा करने नहीं जा सकता था. मंदिर, गुरुद्वारा, चर्च, हर चीज बंद हो गई थी. लेकिन रोटेरियंस जो थे, they came out. Why? Because उनके अंदर एक divinity है, उनके अंदर एक सूक्ष्म आत्मा जिसको बोलते हैं. They possess that pious soul which forces them to go out. Although in this process we did lose some members. We did lose some of our very close friends. We lost our past Rotary International Director Yash Das. We lost some members from Haridwar, we lost some members from Panipat during this COVID because they were out to serve. But I am sure unka contribution, they may not be here with us, but I think their family is being blessed. कहीं ना कहीं उनको आशीर्वाद मिल रहे हैं. उन्होंने जो काम किए, they are being remembered. छोटे छोटे काम किए उन्होंने. मास्क बांटे, सैनिटाइजर्स बांटे, PP kits बांटी, and they came out to feed the hungry. जो रोड साइड्स पे थे, जिनको खाना नहीं मिल रहा था, सब्जी वाले थे, छोटे छोटे ठेले वाले थे. The persons affected were all the small people on the roads, small vendors. Who fed them? Rotarians. Rotarians fed them. And when I was talking to Shuchi, she gave me a very detailed report. She said, "Aapko ek copy pe puri bana ke de do?" I said, "How many pages?" She said, "Approximately this." I said, "Shuchi, I do not want to waste paper. I know what you have done, and I have been getting detailed reports from Dr. Vora. Flawless. The kind of commitment this person has, I think, पूरे district में किसी की नहीं. So, give them a big hand for that. And Shuchi और संजय, मैं जब इन दोनों को देखता हूँ, मुझे दोनों भाई बहन लगते हैं. Both of them are so humble. Absolutely, they are so humble. वो कहते हैं ना, मुंह में जुबान नहीं है. बहुत सॉफ्टली बात करते हैं, इतने प्यार से बात करते हैं. वो शुचि रमेश सर करती रह जाती है. And then all of a sudden she'll start speaking from Hindi to English, English to Multani. अगर बाल कटना ऐसा साढ़े क्या? She speaks wonderful Multani and she switches over because I reply to her in Multani also, and she switches over. So Shuchi, this is the best thing which I like about you, and I'm sure the kind of the work which you have done till today, you are going to be in the top secretaries of our district. I'm very sure. Friends, during this, we have faced some of the world's biggest humanitarian challenges. Our work is still not complete after 116 years of Rotary. When it was initiated, it started. 116 साल के बाद जब दुनिया तो चांद पे पहुंच गई, हम लोगों को क्या सिखा रहे हैं? हाथ कैसे धोने हैं. We've been teaching people कि wash hands like this, you need to wash इतना टाइम लगाओ, साबुन को ऐसे लगाओ. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कमी रह गई. The work is yet to start. Maybe US has excelled, Europe has excelled, India has also excelled in certain other areas, but there's a lot of work has to be done. A lot of stuff has to be taken care. Our work will not finish जब तक last बच्चा जो है हमारे देश का उसको पोलियो की वैक्सीन ना मिल जाए. As long as all young girls who are going to the government schools, they get healthy environment to sit down and work and study in the school. As long as every village in our district gets the clean drinking water, that's the aim. Till then, if we achieve this, then only we can say that we have received something, we have done something. Then our purpose of being Rotarian will be fulfilled. I was very happy to see more and more women here, gracious ladies. And when I was told that the 3 new members have been added, they are all women. हम लोग कहते हैं कि we live in a men-dominated society. ये अक्सर ये शब्द यही कहा जाता है कि we live in men-dominated society. लेकिन सच्चाई ये नहीं. हम लोग उस समाज में रहते हैं जहाँ पे नारी का वर्चस्व है, नारी प्रधान है. तो दिस रिमाइंड्स मी कि एक राजा ने सर्वे कराया अपने देश के अंदर कि कितने ऐसे मेल हैं जो ये कहते हैं कि घर जो है मेरी मर्जी से चलता है. कहते जो आके कंफर्म करेगा कि घर मेरी मर्जी से चलता है उसको मैं एक अच्छा सा घोड़ा दूंगा, और जो घर जिसका की वाइफ के हिसाब से चलता है तो वो आए और अपने सेब ले जाए। सुबह से शाम तक मेला लगा रहा, जो आए सेब लेके चला जाता था। तो लगा कि भैया यहाँ तो कोई ऐसा है ही नहीं कि जिसका जो मर्द आके ये कह दे कि मेरा घर मेरी मर्जी से चलता है। शाम को 6 बजे एक हट्टा कट्टा पठान, लंबी मूछे लाल आंखें आया, कहने लगा सर मेरा घर जो है मेरी मर्जी से चलता है एंड आई कैन प्राउडली से दैट। राजा वाज वेरी हैप्पी, से चलो कोई तो मिला मुझे, सो आप आओ। उसने कहा ये घोड़ा अंदर से ले जाओ। उसने काले रंग का जेट ब्लैक घोड़ा लिया और घर चला गया। आधे घंटे में वापस। तो उसने पूछा भी क्या हुआ? तो सर मेरी पत्नी कहती है कि काला घोड़ा शुभ होता है, इसलिए आप सफेद लेके आओ। उसने कहा ऐसा है, घोड़ा अंदर बंद कर दे, सेब ले राजा फिर परेशान कि अब क्या होगा। मंत्री उसको कहने लगा, महामंत्री तो कहा महाराज एक चीज बताओ। बल्कि वो रात को लेट आवर्स में उसने आके नॉक किया राजा के पास, कहता राजा साहब मुझे एक चीज बताओ, आप अगर रखना चाहते आप एक मन राशन रख सकते थे, आटा रख सकते थे, गेहूं रख सकते थे, एक स्वर्ण मुद्रा रख लेते ताकि कम से कम किसी गरीब का घर चल जाता। मुद्रा से, स्वर्ण मुद्रा से वो अपने घर के किसी बच्चे का गहना बनवा लेता। तो कहने लगा राजा, कहने लगा चाहता तो मैं भी यही था कि मैं गेहूं और वो रखूं, राशन रखूं, पर रानी कहती थी कि ये ठीक है। तो मंत्री कहने लगा सर सेब आप यहीं पे खाएंगे या मैं? तो राजा ने उससे पूछा कि भाई एक चीज बता, तो ये सवाल मुझसे सुबह आके भी तो कर सकता था, तू अभी क्यों आके पूछा? तो सर मेरी पत्नी कहने लगी कि आप अभी जाओ और पूछ के आओ। सो कहीं ना कहीं दिस वर्ल्ड इज रन बाय द वुमेन। एंड हमारे हिंदू ग्रंथों में भी कहा जाता है कि यत्र नार्यस्ते पूजन्ते रमन्ते ततो देवता, जिस स्थान पर नारी की पूजा होती है वहां पर देवताओं का वास होता है। एंड फ्रेंड्स, रोटरी हैज प्रूव्ड इट एवर सिंस women came in Rotary। उससे पहले रोटरी का ग्राफ एक स्टेबल ग्राफ था, कोई ग्रोथ नहीं थी। जिस साल से रोटरी के अंदर when they allowed women, the Rotary graph has gone up like a straight line. It is because of the women. It is because of the women. It is because of women empowerment. And I compliment all the women here that you have contributed for the welfare of the community. You have contributed for the welfare of the society. And you have contributed for the welfare of your homes. Yes, absolutely, absolutely, and they deserve this, sir.
Next RI president would be even.
Yes, our next RI president, Jennifer Jones, is from Canada, is going to be our next world president also.
First thing.
Yes. And friends, I am very sure that you will continue with this journey to serve the communities so that our future generation can thrive on through Rotary, through service. Someone has said that the people of good company is like walking in a shop of perfume. Whether you buy it or not, but you're bound to get the fragrance. Similar is my position here today. While being in the company of you all, I am feeling your fragrance, I am being blessed by you all, and the kind of blessing which I am getting, I think शायद मुझे और कहीं से आशीर्वाद और नहीं मिल सकते। किसी ने कहा कि हम लोग अक्सर जब प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं फोटो खिंचवाते हैं, जो हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग थे वो कहते थे कि बाएं हाथ से लो तो दाएं को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए, दाएं हाथ से लो तो बाएं को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए। लेकिन कलयुग में कुछ और था। उन्होंने कहा जब तक हमारे यहाँ एक देता है उसको देख के दूसरा देता है। तो इसलिए फोटोग्राफी जो है हमारे लिए बहुत मस्त हो गई। लेकिन कभी ना कभी ऐसा जरूर कुछ कर लेना कि जब आपके और उस खुदा के बीच में कोई और ना हो। वैसे तो फोटोग्राफी इज रिक्वायर्ड, मे बी लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल गेट इम्प्रेस्ड विद दैट, बट कभी कभी ऐसा जरूर कुछ कर लेना कि जब आपके और ऊपर वाले के बीच में कुछ और नहीं हो। तो कहते हैं जिंदगी चिराग सी तस्वीर रखना अपनी, चिराग सी तस्वीर रखना अपनी, ये मत सोचना कि घर किसका रोशन हुआ। कीप गिविंग, कीप गिविंग, कीप गिविंग। और कहते हैं कि जो एक मंत्र है, हम सब लोग अपने घर में पूजा करते हैं, सिख फैमिली में पाठ होता है, वैदिक फैमिलीज में गायत्री मंत्र पढ़ा जाता है। हर परिवार के अंदर एक अलग तरह की पूजा होती है। जिंदगी में कहते हैं कामयाब होने का एक मंत्र और है, लास्ट में बस ये शेयर कर रहा हूं आपके साथ में, वो है BMW मंत्र। एंड BMW is the moment I said BMW, everybody must be thinking that this is an automobile. This is what everybody thinks that, but no. एक माला के अंदर 108 मनके होते हैं। अगर आप राम राम की जपते हो, आप ओम की जपते हो, एक बार एक माला BMW की जप के देखना, आपको लगेगा कि शायद मैं कुछ गलत बात कर रहा हूं। और उस मंत्र को, BMW मंत्र को आप 40 दिन कंटिन्यू रखिएगा, एंड 40 दिन के बाद उस BMW का जो इफेक्ट आएगा, because my BMW is not that automobile BMW. My BMW is, the first BMW says, bless my words. कहते हैं आप प्रेयर कर रहे हैं कि मेरे शब्दों को इतनी शक्ति देना कि मेरे शब्द जब भी निकले लोगों की भलाई के लिए निकले, अच्छे शब्द निकले। दूसरा BMW that says, bless my wisdom, कि मुझे इतनी अच्छी बुद्धि देना कि मैं समाज की सेवा कर सकूं, मैं समाज के काम में आगे आ सकूं। और तीसरा BMW, burn my worries, मुझे चिंताओं से मुक्त कर देना, so that मैं चिंताओं से मुक्त हूं, मैं रोटरी के अंदर अच्छी मेंबरशिप एंजॉय करूं और समाज की सेवा करूं, और फाउंडेशन में जितना दे सकता हूं उतना देता जाऊं। और एक BMW, मैं जीन में एक मीटिंग में था, तो उसने मुझे कहा, बच्ची आई, उसने कहा कि अंकल एक BMW और है। मैं कहा बेटा क्या? कहती बेटी मेरा वजूद। कहा व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डिस्क्रिप्शन यू हैव गिवन द BMW। बेटी मेरा वजूद। दूसरी एक और लड़की कहती बेटी मेरी वॉरियर। सो बेटी को एक स्टेटस देना सच अ ग्रेट थिंग। और सहारनपुर में था तो वहां से एक और डेफिनेशन आई BMW। मैं कहा बेटा आप बताओ। कहती बहन मायावती। नहीं, बहन मायावती भी जरूरी है, क्योंकि द काइंड ऑफ लीडरशिप शी हैज गिवन टू द यूपी गवर्नमेंट, द women came from the lower strata and we led the biggest state of Uttar Pradesh, बहन मायावती। एक और डेफिनेशन निकली BMW, वो चंडीगढ़ क्लब में अप्लाई होती है, मे बी आई कैन सी समवेयर है, कहता है बीबी मुगरिया वाली, the ladies who wear the maximum ranks, because Kamal Bedi is one lady, Kamal Bedi is one lady who wears 10 or 12 ranks always। और इस पेंडेमिक टाइम में जब घर में सब कुछ कोई बाहर से आ नहीं रहा था, कोई जा नहीं रहा था, तो एक और डेफिनेशन निकली BMW की, दैट वाज बर्तन मांजने वाली। So that was also required in every house. So when you are praying with the BMW, all those 7 things which you are bound to get, you will have all this, and when you have all this, the BMW 7 Series is bound to be in your party garage। एंड कहते जिंदगी में ना 3 फैक्ट्रीज जरूर लगा लेना। सब बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं, किसी की ऑटोमोबाइल्स की है, किसी की मस्टर्ड ऑयल की है, किसी की बड़ी बड़ी प्लांट्स हैं, मैकेनिकल यूनिट्स हैं। कहते 3 फैक्ट्री जिंदगी में जरूर लगा लेना। कहते पहली फैक्ट्री एक आइस फैक्ट्री, दूसरी एक शुगर फैक्ट्री, एंड तीसरी है क्लॉथ फैक्ट्री। तो मैंने पूछा भाई एक चीज बताओ, इनका फायदा क्या है? शुगर फैक्ट्री लगाने का तो आइस फैक्ट्री लगाओगे तो खर्चा बहुत है, शुगर फैक्ट्री पे भी खर्चा बहुत है। उन्होंने कहा आप फैक्ट्री लगाने की सोच लो, इन्वेस्टमेंट मेरी है, प्रॉफिट 50-50 कर लेंगे, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट 0 है। दूसरे कहा चलो ठीक है लगा लेते हैं। आइस फैक्ट्री उन्होंने कहाँ लगानी है? कहता इट हैज टू बी हियर। आइस फैक्ट्री यहाँ लगाओ, दिमाग को ठंडा रखो, चलते चलो. Sugar factory, it has to be here. हमेशा मीठे शब्द बोलते जाओ, आगे बढ़ते चलो. The love factory has to be here. Be kind-hearted to everyone. This is what Rotary preaches you. And कहते हैं अगर आपकी 3 फैक्ट्रियां लग गई तो आपकी लाइफ भी सेटिस्फैक्टरी हो जाएगी. So these are the 4 factories we insist that everyone should have in this family, the Rotary family. And I must compliment you all again for inviting me here and giving me all those courtesies. But I don't know whether I deserve it or not. But Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Rita were very kind enough to pick me up from the holiday. Although I told them I'll come straight, he says no, we'll come and pick you up. So thank you for all the courtesies, and thank you Gulati Saab for receiving me here, for all the past presidents here. All past presidents are very senior to me. जब मेरा सीनियर मेरे सामने खड़ा होकर रिसीव करता है तो मेरे हाथ अपने आप जुड़ जाते हैं उनके सामने कि सर आई डोंट डिजर्व दिस, आप अपना आशीर्वाद दीजिए तो हो सकता है शायद उस आशीर्वाद से हम आगे बढ़ते चले जाएंगे. एंड थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड माय ऑल गुड विशेस to you all, my all good wishes to current team for doing exceptionally well, and I'm sure the miracle that I said is going to happen. And my good wishes to the incoming team also, Salilji, and I'm sure your year also gonna be a perfect year. Gonna be because there's always a chance of improvement. So you're going to have a wonderful year. Thank you so very much.
Stimulate us on the journey of service in Rotary. Your unmatched eloquence and unparalleled expressions has been proved right as shared by BDG Shaju Peter, but we are still awaiting to hear your vocal performance. We heard so many stories. I have been hearing for the entire year we have attended. So, एक story मैं भी सुनाऊंगी. So there was this Jewish man called Yankel who ran a bakery in Germany. So you might be knowing that during World War, Nazis were killing Jews with no mercy. He says I was a teenager that time, and we were being put on train and taken to Auschwitz in cold compartments, made to stay outside the station without food, water, blankets or anything. And the bodies would start freezing, becoming ice. So the day he was traveling on that train, there was an old man, Jewish man, from his hometown who was shivering. So he just hugged him tightly, rubbed his arms, his legs, his face, just begged him to stay alive. So all night long he was doing this so that just trying to keep him warm. So hours and hours went by, the train was standing outside. Finally the morning came and the sun began to shine. So he just looked around to see other people, and to his horror he found all bodies were frozen. All he could hear was a deathly silence, and nobody in that cabin was alive except for 2 people, that old man and Yankel. So he said they died of cold, and I kept him warm, and I survived because I was warming him. So do you all know what is the secret of our survival in this COVID pandemic? The warmth of our governor's leadership, which has virtually kept us connected and alive till today for Rotary. So heartiest congratulations, sir. We wish you all the best. I would like to quote Alam Iqbal, तू शाहीन है परवास काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमान और भी है, इसी रोज़ो शब में उलझ कर ना रह जा, तेरे ज़माने मुकाम और भी है. So moving forward, I would like to invite President Sanjay Bhatia and our First Lady Rotarian Ritu Bhatia to present a memento as a token of remembrance for this special event. So we have one memento from from our club for First Lady of the District, Rotarian Rekha. I would like to invite past President B.L. Ramsasaria ji. He has a memento of inspiring thoughts which has been compiled by him. For the magnanimous task done by B.L. Ramsasaria. Presiding with us, joining us anytime we call. So thank you, Ramesh sir, for all those virtual presents.
It says, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, बोले संसार की, तुम हो सुंदर फूले संसार की, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, stay happy, stay blessed, stay happy.
I would request the nominee Dr. Sanjay Kalra to express a formal vote of thanks.
अरे यार जो ऐसे आप करवा रहे हो ना, मैंने आज तक नहीं चाहिए
I know you all must be hungry, but this is a customary vote of thanks which has to be done because a lot of effort has gone into planning and executing this event. So, Honorable Chief Guest of the evening, DG Ramesh Bajaj sir, gracious First Lady Rekha Bajaj ma'am, PDG Shaju Peter, PDG Yogendra Diwan, President Sanjay Bhatia, AG Zone 3 Dr. Rita Kalra, all the present Rotarians, Rotarians, and ladies and gentlemen. Gratitude. Gratitude makes sense of our past. Gratitude brings peace for today and creates vision for tomorrow. This is a quote by Melody Beattie. And it's my proud privilege today to extend the customary vote of thanks on behalf of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown to all who have contributed for the grand success of this event. A big thank you, DG sir, for encouraging and motivating us with your great words of wisdom. We are all inspired to the core of our heart with your eloquent rendition, and will continue to be indebted to you for being here with us. And it was nice to you, sir, that you are Arya Samaji, or you believe in Vedic Dharma, and that is one of the common factors that we have, or common, like singing and trades that we have, like gardening and singing being one of them. Thank you, First Lady Rekha ji, for accepting our invitation and for your gracious presence, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event of this type cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their job and are result-oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. My profound gratitude to past President Ajit Gulati sir, event chair for the evening, for his immaculate planning and perfect execution of today's event. Thank you again, sir. You are truly a perfectionist. I also extend my sincere thanks to the entire organizing team for their enormous contribution in organizing this event. Special mention for past President Amarjit Singh for the logistic support, Rotarian Bir Gulati Man for invocation, Rotarian Kulvinder Baba for hospitality, Rotarian Nitin Kapoor, a dear friend, for always being present, and Rotarian Renu Chopra, Rotarian Kadam Shivani, Indu Anand Ma'am, Rotarian Anjali for backstage support. Don't worry, I have not forgotten you. My most sincere gratitude to Secretary Rotarian Suchi Thakur for her positive contribution in all fields with a big smile. You are always there. Thank you so much, Suchi. And thank you again for being able to handle it in spite of being unwell. All the board of directors like Kananji, Nitin, Anupam Jain, Kulveer Bhatia need a special appreciation for engaging all Rotarians through the projects all through the year. Thank you for taking our club to newer heights and helping us in achieving newer benchmarks. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Rotarian past President Manmohan Singh, the owner of Aroma Hotel, for his generous last-minute help. Please convey our thanks to him, Ajit sir. And finally, I would take this opportunity to place on record our heartfelt thanks to Rotarian Rita Galra, of course my guru, and MC for the perfect conduction of the program as per the minute-to-minute details. I again, on behalf of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown and the entire board, extend my thanks to all of you, all the Rotarians, all the guests who have graced this occasion, and thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sanjay. Before we proceed adjournment, I would like to invite our event chair, past President Gulati, to make a few announcements that you have before the guests. That's okay.
The only thing is, since instead of getting together in a cluster, please use these tables and have your food and the drinks and come back on the table so that we don't form a cluster and we are safe. That is more important. The success of this event is that all of you go back home safely. Thank you so much.
So today we just have 2 days, drinks and dinner. Very soon we'll have the third day, which is dance also, like we said. So with this, we adjourn today's special meeting, and thank you to everyone. Thanks for your attention.